Hi everyone, this is Jim here from Fuji Spray, and today we're going to be going over changing the air cap set on your Fuji Spray V8 compressor spray gun. Now the Fuji Spray V8 spray gun offers a wide variety of air cap sets ranging from 1.2 to 2.2, which allows you to effectively atomize any coating imaginable. With all these sizes available to you, it's almost certain you'll be changing out your air cap set. First, remove the fluid control and needle spring. Next, engage the trigger and remove the needle. Following that, loosen the air cap collar and remove the air cap. Using the number 12 cutout on the wrench that came with your spray gun, remove the fluid nozzle. Upon removing the fluid nozzle, you will expose the air distributor. A quick note on the air distributor. Be sure to install this component so that the locating pin indexes the locating hole on the spray gun body. Failure to do so can negatively affect the spray gun pattern and can potentially damage the spray gun. To install your new air cap set, simply thread in the fluid nozzle by hand and secure with your wrench. Install the air cap and secure the collar. Finally, install your needle, needle spring, and fluid control. You've now successfully changed the air cap set on your V8 compressor spray gun. If you have any questions on additional air cap sets or any parts and accessories for your V8 spray gun, be sure to check out our distributor list at the Where to Buy link below. If you have any questions regarding your V8 spray gun and any sort of technical support relating to it, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-650-0930 or shoot us an email at support@fujispray.com. This is Jim from Fuji Spray. Thank you so much for watching.